Hey guys, welcome back to Jack on Tracks. Another episode of What's in the Box. I know, it's a bag. I can't help it. Things come in bags. So, hit the local hobby shop today to acquire some roadbed. And apparently, there's a cork shortage. He hasn't been able to get cork roadbed for a while. And that's not good. I have to go. I'm probably going to. I work near Train World, so I'm going to stop in and visit them. If they don't have it, I'll probably hit one of the other local hobby shops, probably like Willis. But since I went there to buy stuff, I found these. And you know, I'm a green box boy. I love Bowser stuff. And these are HO arced bar trucks with metal wheels. $7. It's not bad. And these are a set of crown trucks with metal wheels. Another, just under $8. And I don't know if you can see what these are. They're track and bumpers. So you glue them on the track, keeps the cars from rolling off, if I remember correctly. But yeah, that's it. And oh, I also picked up one piece of N-gauge. I know, N-gauge track for the my test track that you guys saw me testing on. I'm throwing on a piece of N-gauge on there because I do have N-gauge stuff, and we'll go into that sooner or later. You're actually going to see that whole layout, that whole module setup. But I'm actually really close. I probably should just put it together and just show you guys. But no. So, all right. Once again, thanks for watching Jack on Tracks. Stay tuned for more exciting stuff. There's going to be a giveaway being announced, probably announced already by the time this comes out. And, yeah. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. As always, catch you later.